Good morning, I'm Jason Davies. I'm the Vice President of Enterprise Innovation at Flybits, and joining me today on stage is Katrina Shu, Product Manager at Flybits. Flybits is a contextual data integration company based in Toronto, Ontario. We provide enterprise-level hyper-personalization capabilities to banks. Today, the loyalty space is undergoing complete reinvention, and that reinvention is being driven by digital payments. The way that consumers are interacting with traditional loyalty programs are changing. Today, they can collect and redeem points with a simple tap or swipe of a mobile payment app or a device, either online or at the physical point of sale. And this is requiring loyalty programs to start to change how they're interfacing with their consumers. They need to be able to reach them in a contextual manner in real time and deliver new and engaging experiences that continue to allow those consumers to want to collect and engage with that loyalty program. And in order to do that, loyalty programs and program managers have to be able to develop new experiences in a very rapid manner. And to be able to do that, they have to do three fundamental things. They have to, one, be able to assemble multiple data sets that can include not only loyalty points balances, also transactional data, SKU level retail data, and also device data denoting location or activities of a consumer. Then they have to be able to orchestrate those data sets into a contextual rule set that will denote what context is this consumer in at any moment in time, and then associate content with that context and then be able to deliver that to a consumer in real time through any digital channel. And what you're going to see today is a Flybits platform that enables a bank or a loyalty program operator to build, to launch, and to measure those experiences in a matter of minutes. And Katrina's going to show us exactly how that happens on the platform.
Thanks, Jason. We're super excited to show you our customer journey and how we can leverage different data sets to enhance the loyalty space that we see today. So if you'd like to follow along, you can take out your mobile phone, open the web browser of your choice, and enter in the URL that you see behind me, finovate19.com. And if you don't have your phone on you, no worries. We're going to show you the experience right behind us on the screen. Now, if you're logged into our demo app on your mobile phone, you're going to see this typical user experience on a banking application. We've embedded this widget at the bottom right corner, and this is our low-code presentation white label solution that can contain all of the contextual personalized experiences that is Flybits enabled. Now, on the screen, you're able to choose between two personas, a foodie who wants to see the best eats in town, and also a traveler who's interested in seeing all the best sights in the world. Now, right now, their personalized journeys are not very personalized at all. It's the same experience across the two personas. A lot of people think of personalization as leveraging more and more data sets in the banking ecosystem, but Flybits takes personalization to a new level. We believe in hyper-personalization, where we can leverage pre-integrated data sets across telco, retail partnerships, and device data, so that right now, when you see loyalty program use cases, they're still very not personalized, and it's only seasonal changes that will create new offers. But when we start leveraging these different data sets from a bank's data hub, what you're able to see is that we're able to augment all of these use cases so that they become hyper-personalized. So for example, for a foodie, you're seeing completely different experiences compared to our traveler persona. Now, how did we actually do this? Let's take a deep dive into increasing program engagement, for example. We're leveraging data across customer profiles, loyalty points that you might typically see, but we're also able to leverage things like card transaction data and how many points they've used in value, and retail partnerships to know how they're engaging with the customer, and telco and device level data so that we're understanding the location and how they're roaming on their phone. Now, these are the kinds of experiences that we're able to power through the Flybits Experience Studio. And this is our digital experience platform where any digital team can create these use cases that you've seen today, so that any marketer is able to now quickly define microsegments, match them with very specific content like you see here, and bring them quickly into the market, analyze the results, and create a fast feedback loop. This is how Flybit sees hyper-personalization. This will allow loyalty programs to then release use cases into the market quickly and able to get that feedback from customers so that we're always staying at the leading edge of customer experience.
Thanks, Katrina. So what you've just seen is how the Flybits platform enables a loyalty program manager, a marketing manager, a digital channels team at a bank to actually create highly contextualized experiences, build those from multiple data sets, and launch those into a market in a matter of minutes and analyze their performance. And they do that as a reminder in three key ways. One, they're assembling multiple data sets together. They're then orchestrating those data sets on the platform into a contextual rule set, assigning content to that rule set, and then delivering that content in the digital channel of choice for the consumer at the moment when it matters most. And through these functionalities, we're enabling low-T programs to stay relevant to their consumers now and in the future. And if you'd like to learn more about our platform and what we're doing both in the loyalty space as well as in retail banking, wealth management, and insurance, I encourage you to stop by our booth. We're Flybits. Thank you very much.